Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something crucial for every aspiring entrepreneur and business enthusiast: the 7 stages of the business lifecycle. Whether you're dreaming of launching your own startup or just want to understand how companies grow and evolve, this video is your roadmap. We'll break down each stage, from that initial spark of an idea to the final bow, covering the challenges and opportunities you need to know. Let's get straight to the point. Picture this: you're sitting on an idea. Maybe it came to you in a flash, or it's been brewing for years. This is the seed stage. Nurture that idea, do your homework, and see if it can become a real business. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't just stick it in the ground and hope for the best. Research the best soil, sunlight, and watering. The same goes for your business idea. This stage is about research. Validate your idea and find your market. Who are your ideal customers? What problems can your product or service solve? Start thinking about your business plan. Just a basic roadmap outlining your goals and target market. The seed stage is about laying a strong foundation. The more effort you put in now, the better your chances of success. Welcome to the startup stage, where the rubber meets the road. You've nurtured your idea, validated your market, and now it's time to launch your business into the world. This is where the real excitement, and let's be honest, a little bit of fear, kicks in. You're officially open for business, which means it's time to start building your brand, attracting customers, and generating revenue. One of the biggest focuses during the startup stage is building your team. You might start small, maybe just you and a co-founder, but finding the right people to help you grow is essential. Look for passionate, talented individuals who share your vision and are ready to hustle alongside you. This stage is also about learning and adapting. You'll likely encounter unexpected challenges and roadblocks, but remember, every setback is an opportunity to learn and improve. Stay flexible, be willing to pivot if needed, and never stop listening to your customers. Their feedback is invaluable as you refine your product or service and find your footing in the market. Congratulations, you've made it to the growth stage. Your business is gaining traction, customers are loving what you offer, and revenue is steadily increasing. Now it's time to capitalize on that momentum and take your business to the next level. This stage is all about scaling your operations to meet the growing demand. That might mean hiring more employees, investing in new technology, or expanding your marketing efforts to reach a wider audience. But remember, growth for the sake of growth can be dangerous. It's crucial to maintain a balance between expansion and sustainability. Don't overextend your resources or compromise the quality of your product or service in a rush to get big fast. One of the smartest things you can do during the growth stage is to start building a strong financial foundation. This means tracking your cash flow carefully, managing your expenses wisely, and reinvesting profits back into the business to fuel further growth. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. By focusing on sustainable growth and making smart financial decisions, you'll set your business up for long-term success. Welcome to the established stage, where your business has truly hit its stride. You've navigated the ups and downs of the early stages, and now you've got a stable customer base, consistent revenue streams, and a solid reputation in the market. But, hey, don't get too comfortable. The business world is constantly evolving, and even established companies need to adapt to stay ahead of the curve. Now's the time to focus on optimizing your operations for maximum efficiency and profitability. Take a close look at your processes and identify any areas where you can streamline, automate, or improve. This might involve implementing new software, outsourcing certain tasks, or refining your workflows. Another key focus during the established stage is innovation. Just because your current products or services are doing well doesn't mean you can rest on your laurels. The market is always hungry for something new, so it's crucial to continue innovating and developing new offerings to stay competitive. Consider investing in research and development, exploring new market niches, or even acquiring smaller companies that complement your existing offerings. Chapter 5: Expansion Stage: Exploring New Horizons and Expanding Your Reach. You've built a successful business and now you're ready for more. The expansion stage is about exploring new horizons and reaching greater heights. This could involve new markets, product lines, or acquiring other businesses. Have a solid plan in place. Do your research, analyze risks, and develop a clear roadmap. Manage increased complexity. New markets and products bring new challenges. Ensure the right infrastructure and leadership. Delegate responsibilities, hire experienced managers, and invest in new systems. Expansion should be strategic, not a knee-jerk reaction. Plan carefully and ensure resources and infrastructure. Maximize success and avoid pitfalls. Chapter 6: Mature Stage: Sustaining Success and Navigating the Challenges of Maturity. Congratulations, you've reached the mature stage. Your business has stood the test of time, weathered economic storms, and emerged as a leader in your industry. You've got a strong brand, a loyal customer base, and a team of experienced professionals at the helm. But even in maturity, the business world is never stagnant. New competitors emerge, customer preferences shift, and technologies disrupt entire industries. The key to sustaining success in the mature stage is to remain agile, adaptable, and constantly innovating. One of the biggest challenges mature businesses face is maintaining their competitive edge. It's easy to become complacent when you're at the top, but it's crucial to stay hungry, keep pushing boundaries, and never stop looking for ways to improve your products, services, and customer experience. This might involve investing in research and development, forming strategic partnerships, or even acquiring smaller, more innovative companies to bring fresh ideas and talent into your organization. Chapter 7: Exit Stage: Planning your exit and securing your legacy. Every business journey eventually reaches its destination, and that's where the exit stage comes in. This is the point where you, the entrepreneur, decide to step back from the business you've poured your heart and soul into. But the exit stage isn't about simply walking away. It's about carefully planning your departure to maximize your return on investment and ensure a smooth transition for your employees, customers, and stakeholders. There are several different exit strategies you can pursue, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. You could sell your business to another company, either a competitor or a private equity firm. You could take your company public through an initial public offering, allowing investors to buy shares in your business. Or you could pass the torch to the next generation, either family members or key employees, ensuring the legacy of your business continues. No matter which exit strategy you choose, careful planning is essential. You'll need to get your financials in order, assemble a team of advisors, lawyers, accountants, and so on, and potentially groom a successor to take the reins.